Full details in the blog post linked in the description. The blog post will be kept up to date with any new details that appear. Turn on or off auto scan. Some people have had success by turning on or off the auto scan in the aspect ratio settings. Change the resolution settings on your Nintendo Switch. Some people also have had success by changing the resolution settings on the Nintendo Switch. To do this, do the following. Settings, then TV output, then resolution. Turn RGB to limited in the settings. Some people have also had success by selecting RGB as limited in the settings on their Nintendo Switches. In the Switch's TV settings, turn RGB to limited. System settings, then TV output, then RGB range. Look at the Nintendo Switch. You want to investigate the Nintendo Switch to make sure that there is a proper connection with everything. Start with the console itself. Do you have it within the docking station the proper way? Is the docking station set up the way you would expect? Do you see the green light when the Nintendo Switch is in the dock? On top of all this, do you have the HDMI cable secure in the HDMI out slot of the Nintendo Switch docking station? Finally, be sure the Nintendo Switch has adequate power. If any of these things are off, it could be the cause of the flickering. The HDMI cable. The HDMI cable is another thing you want to investigate when it comes to the Nintendo Switch and the Samsung TV. You want to check out the HDMI cable to see if it is the problem point for the flickering. The easiest way to make this determination is to do a replacement of the HDMI cable. Swap it out with a different HDMI cable to see if that takes care of the issue. If it does, that means that the HDMI cable is now defective and needs to be thrown away. In the event the flickering continues, then that means that the HDMI cable has no issues and it is something else causing the problem. The Samsung TV. You rely on your Samsung TV to do its thing when working with the Nintendo Switch. For the Samsung TV to function properly, the HDMI input you are using needs to be soundly functioning. Try taking the HDMI cable and placing it within a different HDMI input on the television. Does that fix the flickering problem? If it does, then you may be in good shape once again. If it does not, it could be that the input on the television is starting to break, or the screen is burning out and the television needs replacement. Try doing a soft reset. Often, a soft reset is all that is needed to solve issues on a Samsung TV. A soft reset does not erase any data. To soft reset a Samsung TV, you simply need to turn the TV off, then remove the plug from the wall outlet and wait for 60 seconds. Then put the plug back in and turn the TV on again. Try a software update. There is a small possibility that there is a software bug causing the issue. You can turn on automatic software updates by going Settings, then Support, then Software Update, and ensure Auto Update is turned on. Alternatively, you can manually update over the internet by clicking Update Now. If you are still having issues, try taking a look at the comments. I will also update the blog post, linked in the description, with any new fixes that are found.